Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the XY transpose feature in the FJD Trion model V200. Due to differences in default coordinate axes used worldwide, we've added the XY transpose feature in model V200 to help you quickly convert coordinate systems to meet regional requirements. In model V200, you can select multiple project files on the left and convert them at the same time using the same steps. Here, we use one point cloud file for the demo. After choosing the target file, select XY Transpose from the Start menu. The converted point cloud will be added to the file tree on the left, and the original point cloud file is also kept there. Then, switch to the top view and select 2 point clouds at the same time. We can see that the 2 point clouds are axisymmetric before and after the conversion. Now we test the conversion result. First, select a point in the original point cloud based on the scene. Then, locate this point in the converted point cloud and select it. By comparing the coordinate data of the 2 points, we find that the values of their XY coordinates have been transposed.